Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and if you've watched enough of my videos, you know I do a yellow box trick. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks to get that to work. As somebody reminded me this morning, you could go Control End and it'll do it. But that's a 2 keystroke stroke. And I can't get it to do a macro for that. I've got an expert helping me look into that. But what I did do is make the whole page a light yellow by pressing 1 key on the keyboard, and then to turn that off if I don't want to see. And this is for if you're going to look for a white background. And so I hit the letter J. So I hit U and then J, and I'll turn that on and off, just those 2 letters. So how I did that, and we'll just do one. I'm going to start recording. I'm going to call it BP3. Go up to OK, go to Layout, Page Background, Solid, and let's go with a darker yellow so we can tell the difference. And it did that. So let's stop recording, and let's go back and don't have the yellow box, and then let's go up to our macro manager, and there's B33. And I've got a debug. Now, I know nothing about writing, but I did figure this out. It's highlighting and telling me that this is something's wrong with that. So I'm just going to delete it. I'm just deleting that line. I have no clue what I'm doing. And then I X out of that. And then I X out of this. It's going to ask me if I continue to stop the debugger. And I'll say yes. So now I have to do is hit the 3, and it turns it yellow. And then to make a macro for this, or a keystroke, you would just right click it, assign a keyboard stroke. This will come up, and there's my macro. And let's try Z. No, Z is zoom, X is eraser, V is nothing, so let's assign it. And then hit OK. Now let's take away the yellow box, and I'm just going to hit the letter V. And I got my yellow box trick over the whole page. I used to be able to do it just for a box, but I've yet to figure out what I'm doing wrong. So I'm going to delete that one because I do not want it. So now I'll be, no, I deleted the wrong one. No, I didn't. So BP3, which back of the page 2, and BP off. And I assign keyboard strokes. I just right click, keyboard stroke, and there's my keyboard is U. The off is keyboard stroke J. So all I have to do is hit U to make it yellow and J to turn it off. So that way, if you have a graphic that is white behind it, and let's just do that, put that to the back of the page. So if you have a clip art that you don't know if there's any white, I'm going to hit the letter U, and there's white background behind my anchor. Anyway, I hope that wasn't too confusing, and thank you for watching.